What's up, guys? Welcome to another edition of LSG Crypto. Thank you very much for joining me. So today we're just going to give an update as to exactly what happened in the market during our last conversation or during the last post that we made. So yeah, as we can see that we're still following this particular trend. We're still good in this trend. And as I said on the last video, target would be around 46K. So that's the target that we're currently looking at on the Bitcoin weekly chart, because that's where we see there can be a possible resistance on there. So that's the part that we're looking at in terms of the weekly chart. But as you can see, it played out nicely. Bitcoin hit this level and then now it's pushing up. But near term target, it would be that 46K level. And then if we can just take it to the daily, if we can just take it to the daily just to see possibly what could happen. So as I mentioned, that this level as well, it's very significant resistance area as well in terms of this 46K level. So now we're currently pushing through to that level. So I'll be waiting to see what exactly can happen to this particular level. But I just want to quickly zoom out just to see if we can get anything in terms of the trend that we last spoke of. I just want to quickly shrink this. Just want to quickly shrink that. Okay, so once we pass this 46K level, then obviously the next target would be this 52K level. If we can break through those two levels, then at least we have something that we can work with. So I just want to quickly pull out this trend because, as I said last time that we spoke, that we are still in a downtrend. So the downtrend is still in effect, but if we can break this particular level, so what I'm looking for is that we break this level. That would be something beautiful in a way. So I'm just waiting for us to break that level and then I can be able to react. Yeah, but this one played out nicely, still pushing up. I'm not sure about the bears that were talking in regards to Bitcoin is about to fall and whatnot. But yeah, we're still looking at buys. Nothing has changed because the weekly chart is still pushing up. The only thing that we can look out for is that downtrend that we're currently in at the moment. So even the last time I checked, we were talking of a death cross or something. I don't use MAs or EMAs or anything like that. I prefer using a clean chart. Trend, support, those are the levels that I'm currently interested in because in terms of indicators, they lag. They only give you something after a couple of days. So coming into this death cross that people were talking about, I can see that it has happened. It has crossed that particular death cross. I just wanted to also show you something here in terms of indicators. Let me quickly just open up here. Okay, so you can see here as well, I think it was on the 24th of June 2021. We also had a death cross here as well, but it was blasted through like it didn't exist. And then the MAs or EMAs only gave a signal for a buy. I think it was already too late because it only gave you buys on 4 bars on a daily. So I think in terms of indicators, it's an opinion of preferences. Some people do like using indicators. I personally don't like using indicators because they lag. So the only thing that I prefer using, not that it's 100% accurate, but it's something that aligns with my trading style, that I can use the trend and also check significant reversal levels as well. So that's what me and the team we use at LSG Crypto. But if you're watching this far, thank you very much. We're starting something new. We're starting something that can be able to become big, because we're not biased or anything. If we're wrong, we do admit that we're wrong. If we're right, we do admit that we're right. But yeah, I also wanted to show you that cross, something that they were talking about on the news. But yeah, it happened also in June, July as well. So in my view, it's not something that I can be able to say I would follow into my trading. No. So that's what put that there, just to show you exactly what could happen or what is happening in regards to that cross. So that cross is happening. So we'll await and see exactly what's gonna happen. But yeah, that was the only reason that I put them there, just to show you that that cross is there and it's happening. But yeah, back to the trend as well. So yeah, that was so I posted today just to give you an update of the analysis that we made days back. We also posted that analysis on Twitter as well. But yeah, we just wanted to show you how the market is going so far. So I am still preparing material into the other altcoins as well, just to see what could be the basis of those moves as well. So I'll give an update. Um, Definite sure I can be able to post in a day or two, just to give you, let's say, maybe 5 pairs that we are currently looking at, and that might give us big moves as well. So in terms of trading, it's we can use it in stocks, we can use it in indices, we can use it in forex. Same rules apply. So if a certain coin is moving at a certain direction, there are possibilities that this and that can be able to happen. So I just wanted to say that let's move away from that mentality of wanting to get rich quick for 100x's and all of that. I know people want those particular moves, but if you play your cards right, you can be able to get those 100x's, but it won't happen overnight. So you just need to be patient. We know that the crypto space is evolving every day, and people are looking for that new best thing that can come through. But it does happen that you get the next best thing. But if you're going to go around chasing that particular mentality, you will never rest. You will always be restless, because even in your mind, you will be played around to say this is the next best thing, but it's not. So I would say that do your own research. Research is simple. You just open the tab, you just do research on the particular projects that you look. So if the technicals and also the fundamentals as well are balancing, so I think that can give you a basis of, yes, I can be able to invest in this particular project. All investments are risky. So if you're saying that you want 100x but you're not willing to risk, then that is not going to happen. Maybe once in a lifetime it can happen. Yeah. So yeah, today was just an update, but if you are still watching, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button as well. We're building something and it is growing each and every day. And thank you for to everyone that has subscribed to the channel, the likes as well. We do appreciate them. So yeah, the next video that we will be posting, it will be in depth in terms of the other altcoins as well. But yeah, currently we are looking at BTC. It's still going into that trend as well. So yeah, thank you very much for watching and have a beautiful day.